Hello, my name is Dona Stereova.
My name is Konstantin Mitkov.
We are from Macedonia, Iași Kemal College, and we are representing our project Agricultural and Animal Wastes as Organic Fertilizers.
So, we live in agricultural area in Macedonia, where fertilizers play an important role in the growth of the plants. Using the beneficials of the agricultural and animal wastes, we came up with an idea of making our own organic fertilizer. As our nutritions for our fertilizer, we have used the most common animal and plant wastes in our region. For example, as our base we have used rabbit's manure because rabbit is the most common animal here in our area and it is very easy to find. Rabbit manure is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, which are the most required plant nutritions. As you can see in the table, rabbit manure has a higher NPK value than the other animal manures. Rabbit manure doesn't smell as strong as the other manures, making it easy to use, and it doesn't burn the soil when it's put directly on it. Rabbit manure was our base. We combined it with rice straw and mushroom residues. Those are the most common plant wastes, and we can find them very easy too. They are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium too, which are good for the plants. The manure was taken from a rabbit breed named Flamanets, which exists in the eastern south of Macedonia. Approximately 100 rabbits produce about 35 to 40 kg of manure per day. The mushrooms were taken from our mountain Kozhov, their type is champignonki. First we dried them out, then we cut them into small pieces, and it took us 2 days to completely dry them out. We have made many different combinations and we got many different results.
In our experiment, we have used 4 different cups with 4 different combinations. In each cup we put equal amount of soil and beans. In the first one it was only soil and bean, it was the plain cup. In the second one we have added only rabbit's manure. In the third and the fourth cup, rabbit's manure was also used as a base, but we have added in the third cup dried mushroom residues, and in the fourth one rice straw. The fourth and the last one was the most efficient one, with the drastic difference between the first and the fourth one. Our experiment's goal was achieved by that. In the difference between the length of the first cup and the fourth cup was 10.5 centimeters. The first one was 8.9 centimeters and the last one was 19.4 centimeters. We observed our experiment for 36 days and we observed the beans grow with different combinations while observing different related parameters as temperature change, water content and pH value. We got different results from the different related parameters. The compost of the rabbit manure mixed with rice straw was the most efficient one, and we think that the farmers all over the world will start using our organic fertilizers as fertilizer for their garden instead of fabrical fertilizers, which may be better for short-term use, but for long-term use they will burn your soil when they're directly added to the soil. It means that with our project, step by step we'll eliminate the fabrical fertilizers and organic fertilizers will be in daily use.